Hi, it's welcome to my channel, back to my channel. So as you see in today's title, I am going to be giving you guys another one of these videos. Back to school content is popping now. I wanted to get into this content and give you something. Last year I did do this video. If you have not watched that video, go watch it because it's a little bit more detailed last year than this year. This year is just going to be stuff that I recently added to the list that I had last year. So if you want a more detailed video of what is going to be displayed in this video, go check out that video. But before we get into today's video, let me introduce it. I'm going to be giving you guys a what is in my emergency back to school kit. These are just some like everyday things that I keep in my little kit, in my backpack or in my bag that I can just easily get to and it's accessible. So before we get into this video, please give it a like, to comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications because I have this uploading on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And with that, let's into the video. Alright y'all, so this is my little kit. I'm not really sure where I got this. I'm not even on cap. Like, I don't know where I got this from. I'm pretty sure this came from Marshall's because I bought it last year before I went to school. So if you're looking for something similar to this, like, this is really spacious. I can fit so many things in here, and like all the stuff that I have in here is not even like filling the whole thing up. Like, there's so much more that I can fit inside of this. Mind you, this is not really a college edition. This is not a high school edition. This is for anybody that's in school. So the first thing that I feel like is really essential to me is my cloth. This is a dirty old thing, but this is for my glasses cleaner. And please don't ask me where I got it from. It's actually my grandma's. It's like an AT&T cloth. I don't know. But I found that when I use other cloths, they don't clean out my glasses. Like, it does the half-done job. This thing right here does the full job. Like, it's real thick. So this is just, to me, it gets the job done, and this is what I be using when I need to clean my glasses, and it has worked for me for years. And if I lose this, like, I literally get a panic attack because I can't find it. But this is like my trustworthy thing right here. Next, I have lotion. This lotion is from Bath & Body Works. Normally I get all of my lotion from Bath & Body Works, but this is actually from Victoria's Secret, and this is their Winter Orchid. This is not the one that I've been using at school. The one that I use normally is a bigger bottle from Bath & Body Works, but this is something tiny that I sometimes use. I don't know, it kind of just depends sometimes, but a little lotion can never go wrong. Due to the fact that you never know when you're ashy, you never know when your hands dry up. Sometimes after you use the bathroom, your hands get dry, your knees might be dry, your elbows, your toes. Like, you don't want to go outside lacking. So having a little bottle of lotion, a little bottle of oil, something that can rejuvenate your body is definitely essential, because you cannot be out here looking dusty and ashy. Like, we don't want that. The girls don't want that. Nobody want that. So just get you a little lotion, tap it on, and don't forget it, because who wants to be outside looking ashy? Nobody. Next, I have my trusty dusty, like my trusty duty edge control. I feel like I have such a hard time finding some good edge control, but I use the Olive Miracle anti-breakage formula for super whole and smooth edges, so it really does the job for everything. And I found that it works pretty well. When I'm at school, I use a bigger bottle of the edge control, not this one, but I can't remember. It's like that pink bottle, or like it comes in different colors and it has black writing on it. I'm gonna put a picture up on the screen. I can't remember the name of that brand, but I use a bigger bottle of that sometimes. It just depends. Next, this is another essential item that you guys really need to have, is deodorant. Like lotion, you really cannot be smelling funky. It really is too hot outside, too humid for somebody to be smelling funky. So put some deodorant on. And like, really don't forget it. Like, I feel like when you don't put deodorant on, you can smell yourself, and you just have to know that is not pleasant smell. Like, you just come on, put some deodorant on, and you will make literally everybody's day better, because you'll be smelling fresh. Who wants to be walking around smelling musty and dirty? Like, that's not cute, babes. That's not cute. Next, this is another essential. I have my lip gloss. Y'all, I use the Hydrating Lip Oil. It's a treatment gloss. Find it in the beauty supply for $1.99. It says it right here. You find it in the beauty supply for $1.99. It does no wrong. Works literally every time, and I love it. I've been loving it, and you literally just cannot go wrong with this. Like, this is going to be your best friend. It is the clear gloss, and yeah, my lips always look good when I put this on. always. Next, I'm gonna pair these three things together when I'm not wearing mascara. I like to put on some lashes, or when I don't have my extensions on, I like to put on some false lashes, and these are the lashes that I have been using in my recent pictures and videos. I don't know, I just feel like this is like really giving me that lash extension look without actually getting lash extensions. I'm really into that like mink, fluffy, wispy lashes. I don't know, like it gets me every time. But I always have some lashes with me in case, you know, you don't want to be looking bald-eyed. But if you do, that is totally okay, because everybody doesn't like wearing lashes, or lashes can be like tiring sometimes, like they just get to be too much, so you don't have to. But for me personally, I like having lashes and an applicator, my tool, y'all, and some lash glue. I use a super hold strong eyelash adhesive, and it's clear. For me, the black glue just doesn't do it for me. I don't know, I just can never get that to work for my eyes. But yeah, the clear glue always works for me. Next, I keep hair ties. When I be wearing my wigs or like my regular hair, I be putting my hair in a hair tie. So this is what this is, a hair tie. It's actually a scrunchie, really, because the hair ties are like those skinny black ones or whatever. I don't really have many of those, and I'm gonna get some before school, but I like wearing scrunchies a lot. They're just so cute. And something that I really gotten used to wearing, I don't know, I found this at school and I kind of just like loved it, but I love wearing these. I love wearing some claw clips. Like, these are just so cute. Putting your little hair in like the, y'all know what I'm talking about, in that little style, it hits every single time. Like, I really want to put my hair up right now. I can't really tell, but I want to put my hair up because it's so hot. Having hair on the back of my neck is not cute. But I love wearing a good claw clip. Y'all can't really see it, but I put the, oh, maybe I can't like that. But I put it up, and I've just been wearing with my hair in its natural state. I wear it with my wigs, and I want to try wearing it when I get my braids. I'm not really getting braids, I'm getting locks, so I don't know if I can do that same style, but we're gonna see. We're gonna try. I don't really know. Next, back to like the face makeup. Just keep a little bottle of mascara with me. Again, if I don't have my lash extensions on or my falsies on, I'll put a dab of mascara on. I think that really depends on where I'm at. If I'm going to a party, or like if I'm going to like an event on campus, I'll just make sure that I'm looking presentable and decent. But if it's an 8 a.m. class, you will be seeing me in what you will be seeing me in, and that's the bare minimum. And you will not be getting nothing on the eyes, nothing on the face, and barely nothing on the hair, y'all. I promise you. Don't do too much for the 8 a.m.s. But yeah. It's just something really simple that I just keep in my eyes if need be. Next, I keep a comb with me at all times, for real. Because if I have my hair like straight, or for my wigs, and like it just gets, you know, messed up or out of its little style, I always want to keep a comb with me just so I can put things back in its place. I got this comb from a beauty supply store, and literally I bet this comb was like 99 cents or less, or like $1. So these are really cheap, and I love the wagtail combs because it's really great for partying. Next, I have my AirPods. This is the 3rd generation, and without my AirPods and my headphones, I can't go anywhere. If I'm not with these in my hand, then it's not me. Unfortunately, it's just not me. I don't know what it is, but if I don't have any music in my ears or like nothing, it's not me. So I always keep my AirPods. I've been using my AirPods more instead of using my wires because I don't know, it's easier for me. And then I always keep a bottle of perfume. This is the With Love from Paris by Michael German. I think that's how you pronounce his name, or Michelle German. I can't really remember, but I always keep a bottle of something fragrance-wise in my bag just so I can be smelling good. It's just like the lotion. I don't want to be, or the lotion and deodorant, I don't want to be caught lacking outside in these streets. And I just keep something that I can use. Y'all know, and y'all see in my vlogs, I put this on literally every single time. It hits. It literally does not do me wrong every single time. And I got this from Marshall's in DC, so I bet you guys can find this at your local Marshall's, or Marshall's or TJ Maxx have really good options for perfume, so this is where I got mine from. And normally I don't really keep a big bottle like this. It'll be something small, and I may look into getting some more smaller bottles, just because like this thing can get heavy, it can break easily, and I don't want to put that out there while I'm out. So, but anything fragrance wise, I just keep with me just to make sure that I'm smelling good. And the last item that I keep, or second to last item, but whenever I have my lash extensions, I love to keep some spoolies with me because sometimes my lashes can be looking wonky and you can't be having that when you have your extensions. So I keep 2 spoolies or 1, whatever, with me just to make sure my lashes are in check. Normally I don't have my extensions too much, so this is not really an essential item for me, but it just depends. And the last thing that I forgot to put in my bag, but I'm pretty sure I showed you guys last year, was hand sanitizer. I don't know where I put my hand sanitizer, honestly. It's probably in my car. I don't really know. But it's really important to use a hand sanitizer because we are in a pandemic. It's so much going on in the world, I can't even tell y'all. But we're really going through a lot, so it's important to keep that. And also your mask, please mask up, because like I said before, the world is really going through stuff. We don't know. We just don't know. We don't know. So hand sanitizing, mask up, gloves, handy wipes, all of that is really important because safety is the most important thing and our main concern. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I did include many things in this video because I included a lot of things last year. This was kind of like really short and sweet, but if you want to see a more detailed video, go check out the one that I did last year. It's really not that long ago, and you guys will be able to find it. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please give that a like, video, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications because I was only on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and with that, thanks for watching, Lisa babes.